Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about 5 proven strategies to make an extra $728 per month. Are you looking for ways to make extra money without having to get a second job? This video outlines quick ways to make extra money every month. These ways include taking surveys, selling items online, and playing bingo. The top 3 finishers in each game win cash prizes ranging from $1 to $80. To get paid for your opinion, all you have to do is sign up for a free account and take just 3 short surveys per day. You can withdraw as little as $5 to PayPal, a bank account, a gift card, or an Amazon account. Companies value your knowledge enough to pay you up to $140 per month for it, so they can use it to make better business decisions. Since 2012, companies have paid out more than $20 million to users, and the most active users make several $100 a month. Some have a rating of excellent on Trustpilot, and it takes less than a minute to sign up for a site that pays you to take surveys. They have a free 100-point welcome bonus just for joining the group right now. There is a mobile card game called Solitaire Cash, which has been downloaded more than 1 million times from the App Store. And over 15,000 people have given it an average of 4.7 stars out of 5. There is a movie trailers app which has been downloaded more than 1 million times from the App Store. Inbox Dollars is a website that pays you to watch videos and answer questions about them. It has already given its users more than $56 million and takes a minute to sign up. Cash Kick is a website where you can get up to $100 per app. You just download and answer a few questions. You can also make money by playing games, watching videos, reading emails, and taking surveys. If your balance is at least $10, you can ask for payment through PayPal right away. The process of signing up takes less than a minute, and when you're done, you'll get paid. Please follow us for more tips on making money. Bye.